Ndini zvangu kamndarake kurudza.
Welcome to my kitchen. What are we making today? Today we are making a German dish called Heaven and Earth using these very simple ingredients. So we're gonna be peeling these. We're going to be peeling them. So the number of apples that you need and the number of potatoes that you need, it depends on how big you want the meal to be. And then we just cut everything into small cubes. Add some salt, black pepper, little white vinegar, cold water, boil until soft. And then put everything in here. So we'll leave it here for the water to drain. We shift focus, butter, cover, add salt. Remember, so we put that back in here. Look at that. Loving this already. Loving this already. Kamdarage guruta. Loving this already. Kamdarage guruta with prayer. Ininzara yandis. My boy gazigai. My boy we. Baba vi mwana wewe yenda uya. Baba vi mwana wewe yenda uya. Baba vi mwana. Are. Kamdarage guru jagauya. Ndini zvangu kamdarage kurudza. Chilies. Melted butter.